Hey everyone! Ever wanted to make a stunning invitation card using just Microsoft Word? Today, I'll show you how easy it is step by step. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and start with a blank document. Head to the Layout tab and change the orientation to landscape. This gives your card a more professional look. Now set your margins to narrow so you have more space to design. Next, let's add some color. Go to the Design tab and choose Page Color. Pick a light pastel or a color that matches your event vibe. Don't worry, you can always change it later. Now for the fun part, adding a border. Still in the Design tab, tap on Page Borders. Select a style you like, maybe something subtle or a bit more festive. Adjust the width and color to suit your theme. Time to add your text. Click to insert a text box from the Insert tab. Drag it where you want your invitation message to go. Type in the event name, date, time, and location. Use bold fonts for titles and experiment with different font styles to make it pop. Want to add a personal touch? Insert a picture or logo by clicking Pictures in the Insert tab. Resize and position it wherever you like. You can also add fun icons or shapes to spice things up. Once you're happy with the design, check the alignment. Select your elements and use Align Center under the Format tab for a neat, balanced look. Almost done. Save your card as a PDF for best print quality. Just hit File, then Save As, and pick PDF. And there you have it, a custom invitation card made in under 2 minutes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.